Welcome to Law Compass, our cutting edge legal AI application designed to streamline case file management, Q&A, and summarization. Let me walk you through its powerful features. First, we'll demonstrate the document upload process. Simply enter your case name and watch as Law Compass efficiently uploads your files and creates a vector store for advanced analysis. Once the vector store is ready, you can begin asking questions. Our application employs a sophisticated reasoning model that carefully considers each query before responding. You will see the AI's thought process in real time, followed by a comprehensive answer in Markdown format. The AI provides detailed information about the case, including incident details, legal proceedings, and court decisions. Each answer comes with clickable source links, allowing you to verify the information directly within the original document. Next, let's explore our summarization feature. Using advanced reasoning models, Law Compass generates a detailed multi step summary of your case. It extracts crucial information such as case numbers, filing dates, plaintiff and defendant details, and trial schedules. The summary concludes with a thorough case analysis covering key legal issues, damages, procedural history, and judicial reasoning. Our case management platform offers a comprehensive overview of all your cases. It displays essential information like filing dates, case numbers, court locations, and upcoming hearings. You can easily view plaintiff and defendant arguments, add internal notes, and search through documents and evidence. Law Compass also includes practical features like deadline assignment, access request functionality, and billing tracking. The integrated calendar keeps you informed of all the upcoming cases and deadlines. Okay. Lastly, our document section houses a wide array of commonly used legal templates, which can be automatically filled using our AI solution, saving you valuable time and effort. In a nutshell, Law Compass is your all-in-one solution for efficient AI-powered legal work. Experience the future of legal practice today.